Alright, so in this video, we're going to talk about orders because, that's the fun part, right? So to get to your orders, and you will get an automated generated email from the website, from your PayPal, and probably from your payment processor when you do get an order. So it should be pretty easy to know when you've gotten a sale. But you're going to mouse over store and orders, and you're going to get to this page here. So you're going to see a lot of stuff on this page because it tells you everybody and what stage they're in, right? So and I'll show you how we can filter, right, to just show you what's pending. But this person is in the shopping cart. These people are in checkout, right? It'll show you when they get to shipping. It'll show you this guy's in checkout review. So you can determine, what is going on. Now, the reason that you see this and that and this is because those people actually went through an account on this, which I don't know how that happened. This is a demo site, but we had a couple people actually try and buy stuff on here. So anyway, these are folks that are anonymous because they are anonymous. They are just put it in their shopping cart. Now your website has cookies, and so when that anonymous person comes back, because it tags their IP address, it will automatically keep that in their shopping cart. But if you want to see what's in their shopping cart, what was this guy looking at, right? So we can hit this little quick edit, and there's a drop down here as well to do a full edit, print, payment, delete. But if you just don't want to get off this page and you're just kind of curious, this will tell you exactly what that person had put into their shopping cart, right? If they had gotten to the point, let's see if anyone got to the point of checkout of no. Let's close that down and see. If they have gotten to the point, here we are. So this guy has gotten to review. So he actually, Germany, he actually put in his billing information. He has not yet put in his email address or any of that, but depending on how far along they've gotten, some of that information might show up. So anything that's not pending, you did not get an order on. I don't care what it says. If it doesn't say pending, you didn't get an order, right? But this is really good stuff to know, because if you start to see a lot of the same thing go into shopping cart and they're not getting purchased, maybe it's time to look at, pricing on that or something, or shipping quotes. So we can come up here and we can go just show me pending. All right. So so if you want to go, maybe you just got in, you're going to get some coffee, but you want to go see, let's go see what Mr. Mike's Landscape got, right? It gives you his name and his address. It gives you the payment, which was an example payment, right? This down here would either say auth.net or your payment processor or PayPal or whatnot. And again, this one didn't have any kind of shipping because this is a demo site. So, but it would show shipping here, and it would show maybe if there was a coupon there. So at this point in time, you need to make an order, and you might, if you're a one-man shop, you might leave this at pending so it's not done yet, or you might move it to processing so that maybe someone else that you're working with doesn't go ahead and order it when you're on the phone and they didn't know. Maybe you're calling Clayton Off-Road right now to see if that's in stock and when it can be shipped. So you can change that order status from processing, or if it's just that quick and you're on it, go ahead and change it to completed. If you don't change it, this customer doesn't have anything that tells them, and I'm not going to change it because I don't want these guys to get an email that says their order's been completed, right? Because it's not. But when you save it, it sends an email out to the customer that says your order is completed, blah, 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 blah. So do make sure you do that, because people get a little nervous. They want to know, hey, where's my stuff? Where's my stuff? Also, when you're in here and after you've gotten a tracking number, you can, now we have this set up for FedEx, UPS, USPS, but there are literally dozens and dozens of shipping companies we can also have this set up for that will allow the tracking number. And so let's say that you got your tracking number 11112. I'm not going to save it again. I don't want this guy to get an email that says, here's your tracking. You can put a little note into your customer, right? Hey, Peter, thanks so much. You rock. Come back again some other time, and hit save. When that happens, he gets an email with that tracking number that goes straight over to the company, right? It's not just an email that says, here, go over there, find it. It goes straight to it. So it's pretty cool. So I'm going to take that out so he doesn't have that in there. As far as on their side, when they're logged in to their account, they do have their order history right here. So that's why it's important, right, that we move that from pending to completed. They don't have all these tags. I have them because I'm under admin in here, but they can go in and view their order as well, right? So, and it gives them the ability to print the invoice. So anyway, that's taking care of your orders on that, and it will then show up on your sales reports, and we'll go over that in another video. If you are looking at doing multiple package tracking, then you come over here. So it's store, products, go configuration, simple package tracking. So we have set up FedEx, UPS, and USPS. But if you click right here, all of these are shippers that have a URL that will amend to the tracking number and take that customer straight in, right? And so you can put something there that doesn't have that, but this URL is the one that takes them straight in and inserts their tracking number to pull that information up. So you could add another one if you wanted to, but usually everyone goes with these three, right? You can also create a default text. So if you don't want to take the time to write to every customer and call them out by name, or maybe you are going to call them out by front name, but you're just going to say the same standard thing as, you know, name, hey, you rock, thanks so much, blah, blah, blah. You can put a little default text in here for your tracking notes. Now, this is it. This is not a paragraph. It's not a book. It's not a how-to. This is a simple little text, right? In the next video that I'm going to do is where to find your auto-generated emails that go out to people so you can understand how to manipulate those. But this is just a field to say something very quick to a customer, nothing else. All right, I hope that helps. Again, store, orders, and that's how you're getting to your orders. All right.